In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix the finance error code TFGE0001 problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying solutions. The first solution consists of a few small steps. The first step is to clear the cache files of the finals. To do this, we go to search and open run. After opening run, type %local update in the search bar and click OK. In the folder that opens, we find the discovery folder and delete it. Deleting this folder will not damage our game. We have cleared the finals cache files. Now, we will clear Steam's download cache. To do this, we open Steam. Then click on Steam on the top left and open Settings. After opening Settings, click Download and then click Clear Cache. After doing this, we will need to log back into our account. Before logging into our account, we need to restart our computer. I will not restart because I am recording, but you need to restart it. After restarting our computer, we open Steam and log into our account. After logging into our account, click on Library from above. Then right-click on the finals and open Properties. After that, click Installed Files and then verify integrity of game files. The verification process is complete. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. Also, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. The second solution is to reset our internet. If the cause of the problem is our internet, doing this will solve the problem. To do this, we go to search and run cmd as admin. We open cmd. There are 3 codes we need to write. I will put these codes in the description section. You can copy and paste them into cmd from there. These codes will not cause any damage to our computer. We are done with cmd. We need to restart our computer to complete the reset process. After restarting your computer, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution is to change DNS. Another solution that allows us to solve internet-related problems is to change DNS. So, it is useful to do this. To change DNS, we go to Search section and open Control Panel. After opening the Control Panel, click on Network and Internet and then Network and Sharing Center. After doing this, we click on our network. Then we click Properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4 and then tick Use the following DNS server addresses. After doing this, we set preferred DNS server to 8888 and the alternate DNS server to 8844. Since this DNS belongs to Google, it is safe to use. We changed our DNS. Click OK and close the tabs. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.